All right, so we're going to use synthetic division to divide here, and this is going to result in a remainder. So remember, when you divide using synthetic division and you divide by x minus 6, that means that you put a positive 6 on the outside of your synthetic division. Now another thing here, we start out with 10 x to the 4 minus 50 x to the third, and now notice we're missing an x squared term. All right. Just because we're missing the x squared and in fact the x term doesn't mean we can omit them here. We have to put a 0 for the x squared, a 0 for the x term, and then the last number is the negative 528. That's the constant term. And so we're going to bring down the 10, and then we do 6 times 10 is 60, and then we do negative 50 plus 60 is 10, and 6 times 10 is 60 again. We bring down 60. 6 times 60 is 360. And we bring 360 plus 0 down. And then 6 times 360. And so now we take negative 528 plus 2160. And so here we have our final answer. And so since we started this problem by dividing by, starting x to the fourth, and we're dividing by x, that means this term becomes x to the third. So 10x to the third plus 10x squared plus 60x plus 360. And then remember, this part over here is the remainder. And so what we do with the remainder is we state the remainder over the divisor, which is x minus 6. And that is the final answer for that question.